Hi friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. I'm here with my third video about these, it's regarding these beads that I picked up from PandaHall Selected. Beautiful beads, and even if you haven't seen the other two videos, I did an unboxing and a video where I made this bracelet right here. They have this one has the turquoise round beads, a turtle. So cute. I love this, is my favorite one. The turtle, and these gold beads. And I got all of these beads from PandaHall Selected. And so I will have all the product links and a coupon code down below in my description box for you. But let me just remind you of what I picked up. So I picked up these freshwater pearl beads that came in this little container. I think there were 3 strands in there altogether, so quite a few. I mean, these will go, even though it doesn't look like a lot, these will go a long way. I don't plan on using them all in one piece of jewelry, you know what I mean? So they'll go a long way throughout the pieces of jewelry I make with those throughout however many years it takes me to use those. And then I also got, well, let me show you this next. I got this little container of all of these beads. I needed some just gold and silver round beads as kind of, you know, divider beads. They're not really end caps, but I wanted something to go with my turquoise beads here. So this set, as you can see, there are hundreds of beads in here probably, and this will last me for a long time. And it also came in this nice container that I can close up and nothing will escape, right? So I got that. And then I got these beads here. Let me see. I just opened up one that I don't want to go all over the place. This one that looks like, I call it river rocks. Like mini river rocks is what they look like, the shape, or you could say they look like beans too. But super pretty. And all of these turquoise pieces have like this goldish kind of veins running through them. I think they're really beautiful. So yeah, I was just using this one, so I just took the knot off one end, so I don't want this to escape. So I'm going to put that one down, but all of these I have not used yet. And, oop, there goes a round one. You're going to hear a little plop in a minute. Oh, there it goes. A little round one escaped. But yeah, I got the round ones, which I will show you on my bracelet. But in the same package, all of these turquoise beads came in the same package that I ordered from PandaHall Selected. So these little skulls, I love little skulls. I don't get into a lot of Halloween stuff. I mean, I like the cutesy Halloween, and this may be the only kind of like creepy thing that I get into is skulls. I don't know why. I have no reason. Just I think they're cute is all I can tell you. Some people might think they're totally creepy, but for some reason I think they're cute. So that was in the package. This one's shaped like a teardrop. So that one was in there. This one with the stars or starfish, whatever you think they might look like. I think they do look like starfish. I might have said stars before, but you know, I meant starfish. I think somebody commented on that they look like starfish. Yes, they do. They look like beautiful turquoise starfish. And then there's the peace signs. Of course, I like the groovy type, retro 70s type stuff. So, I love these. I want to make some earrings out of these. I don't know about a bracelet, but I totally want to make some earrings out of these little peace signs. And then the crosses. They're beautiful. It could be an Easter kind of jewelry that I make out of these. Maybe some earrings and a matching bracelet set. And then this one here is hearts. Aren't they gorgeous? I mean, it's different color for hearts too, and so it's really neat. A bluish turquoisey hearts, right? Really gorgeous. So today, let's see, I showed you the starfish and the turtle. Yeah, those were separate because I used them in here. So I showed you the turtle and the round turquoise. So here's the bracelet I made today. I didn't want to make it on, take a lot of time to make it on video, but I've used for both of these bracelets, because I've used the stretchy cord, like the clear, whatever color it is, stretchy elastic that you use for bracelets. And I'm not saying I won't use it again, but I kind of love using this right here because I made, it's so much easier for me. I'm not, an expert or anything, but, I just like to make jewelry. And I had used the stretchy, the clear kind, and I had the right gauge and everything, and I've tried a couple of different gauges, and you know, it's okay, but this really stretches a lot, and I don't feel like it's going to break. Like, I made a bracelet, I said this in my last video, I made a bracelet with that clear stretchy cord, and I got it all done, and I put it on my wrist, and it broke. I mean, that was very discouraging, right? So I was like, there's got to be a better way. So I got this at Walmart, and I'm really loving it. And they have the different colors, so I picked out this turquoisey one that matches my beads, and I'm using it on these two bracelets, and there are no problem slipping them on and off my wrist. I don't feel like they're going to break. I tied like a triple knot to make sure the knot doesn't come undone. So far, so good. But this is the bracelet I made today to go along with this one I just showed you with the turtle and the round beads and the gold beads there. I used the same gold beads on this one, but I used the ones I said look like the turquoise beads that look like beans or river rocks. What a description, right? But yeah, so, and I just did a little pattern, like, let me show you my pattern. So I've got turquoise gold, 2 wood beads, and then turquoise gold, and one, this is where it ended, but one wood bead. So I did that little pattern all the way around, and you can see how big they are. And so I want to make one more to go along with this, which will be a separate video, but see, I can just slip these over my wrist. Let me show you what they look like. I can just leave them however, twisted, straight. I kind of like them twisted, actually. Keeps them in place. Now, isn't that pretty? There's my turtle. Isn't it cute? And I want one more. I love that. I like this a lot, a whole lot. Like, I would wear this by itself right now until I make the third one. Maybe I will. But I want to make a third one. I like that triple bracelet kind of look. So I think that's super cute. I love the turtle. And then I made also today a matching pair of earrings. So, you know, I kind of like don't have a plan when I just get all my stuff out and see what happens. You know what I mean? So this is what happened. I used the freshwater pearls. So I have some gold. These are just like the head pins, the you know, like these right here, which I picked up at Walmart a long time ago. So I had those in my stash. And then I used one of the tiny gold beads from here, the tiniest one right here, as like a bead stopper, or, you know, almost like an end cap or a bead stop right here at the end, so that my beads, because these have the freshwater pearls have small holes, but I still was afraid that it would slip off over the end of the pin here, the pin, the head pin. So I put one of those little gold beads there, and that keeps it from anything from slipping off, and it looks pretty and finished. And then I did a freshwater pearl, as you can see, and I did a couple of those same little tiny beads on my head pin. They fit right over there, so they're great for earrings as far as slipping through this little needle. And then a couple of the round beads which match this bracelet. So this is all a set that I made that I will wear, and I think it's really pretty. And I use gold findings because of the goldish kind of look of the, you could say it's brown, I'm calling it gold, but maybe you want to call it brown, little veins through these, like you can really see it on the turtle, and you can see it in the beads too. So that's my set so far, and I just wanted to show you, first of all, tell you how much I love these beads, and then show you what I made with them so far. So stay tuned on my channel to see what the third bracelet will be like that goes with this set. I don't know what it'll look like right now. I'm just going to, again, get out my things that I want to use and see what happens. That's what I did with this one today. I knew I wanted to use some wood beads, and I had picked up these beads a long time ago too at Walmart, and maybe you've seen this little pack of wood beads at Walmart. And this is all I had left, and when I first got them out, I was like, oh, I'm not going to have enough beads. I'm not going to have the right beads. But I was kind of determined to use what I have, you know, not go like run out and buy another pack of wood beads. So I took them out, and then this is what I did. Ended up using all of these little ones, which I think ended up going, because you could say this is kind of beachy, you know, turquoise kind of gives you that beachy vibe, especially when they have a turtle on them. So I think those beads, that light wood, is very beachy also. So it can lean either way, not non-beachy or beachy. And I'm saying beach like the ocean is what I'm talking about, in case you're not understanding what I'm saying. But yeah, so I think they're very beachy, you know, like that summery kind of beachy look. Kind of like it any time of year, but especially during the summer. But so there's my bracelets and my matching earrings so far. And stay tuned. I can't wait to see what my next bracelet looks like. And I hope you will come back and see. And yeah, be sure to, if you are interested in these products, check, click on my links below. That'll help my channel and help them to know. PandaHall Selected know that you came from my channel, and also use that coupon code. And if you go to PandaHall Selected, you will also see, first of all, thousands of crafty, goodies, and the specials they are always running besides the coupon, that I have for you. They're always running a great special, so check them out if you've never been over to their website. I've gotten everything very quickly, so you don't have to worry about waiting like 6 months for your stuff to arrive. It comes pretty quick, and I think you'll be very happy. I've ordered from them previously too, and never had any problem with anything. It's always been very high quality and very beautiful. So thanks for watching today. I'll see you in my next video, and have a great day.